Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring precisely, mark the wall and transfer those marks to the wallpaper. Once measured, cut your first strip allowing the extra overlap. This gives margin for trimming. Match the pattern repeat before any paste touches the wall because pattern alignment dictates seamless results. Apply adhesive evenly, fold paste to paste for activation when required, then position your first strip plumb. Be deliberate. Getting the first strip straight sets every subsequent seam, so take your time and check with a level. Once the first strip is secure, bring the next piece in and align the pattern carefully. This is the complex middle work where mistakes show. Match motifs at eye level, then butt or overlap following the wallpaper type. The manufacturer often specifies which method. Smooth each seam with a roller to lock edges and press down toward the seams to avoid lifts. If bubbles appear, lift gently and re-squeegee. Use a seam solution for stubborn gaps, because proper seam adhesion prevents peeling later. You finish by trimming top and bottom flush, cleaning paste smears, and checking corners. These last actions make the installation look professional. Once done, inspect seams and edges after 24 hours because changes in humidity reveal hidden issues. Press down any minor lifts and clean again. If a bubble persists, pierce with a fine needle and press the air out, then roll the area. If a seam peels, inject adhesive behind it with a syringe and clamp until set. That quick troubleshooting saves a full redo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.